I want to share you guys, and I hope mayroon kayong matutunan sa video na to. And today, I make a tutorial video how to change your YouTube name in 2020. I want to share you guys, and I hope mayroon kayong matutunan sa video na to, na ano ang aking natutunan, magagamit din ninyo. Okay, let's jump in. We here now in the screen, and we go to a YouTube. We go to the YouTube, and then click sign in to my Epic. This is my new account. Enter your password. And next, dito na ako sa aking, so ipakita ko sa inyo first ang aking channel. So this is my channel, customized channel. And then ito guys, ang bago kong channel. Gawa-gawa ko lang to. walang ibang maisip. Epic Gaming. Gusto kasi ako maging gamers, but wala pa akong computer, PC, gaming. So nagawa-gawa lang ako guys. And then dito guys, pupunta kayo sa profile picture nyo dito guys, and then go to settings, YouTube settings, and then pagkatapos dito guys, dito ang aking pangalan, at saka mayroong pangalan dito, edit on Google. So click nyo yan, and pagkatapos dito, changing your name here will change it in all Google products. If mag-change kayo ng pangalan ninyo sa YouTube, so lahat ng Google product mati-change din siya. So kung gusto mo magandang pangalan, so dito na nga guys, at i-change ko to, ang aking pangalan is change ko ng Jean, at saka dito change ko to ng ang aking dito first name, and then dito is last name. So gagawin ko lang ng it's D. Okay, yan, and then click nyong okay. So click nyong okay. So here you go guys, change your name. People change their names in frequently in the real world, so Google limited the number of times you can do that. Changing your name here applies it in all Google service. These changes may take some time to take effects. So click this guys, change name, click. Okay, yan na guys. So ang aking pangalan dito na, mayroon ng pangalan dito, Jens It's D na, hindi na Epic Gaming. So okay, babalik tayo ng aking YouTube. Balik tayo sa YouTube ko para makita natin dyan kung na-change ba. So tingnan niyo guys. Yay! Yan guys, simple and easy lang guys. And madali lang gumagawa ng how to change your YouTube name guys. So that's it lang guys. Sana guys, mayroon kayong natutunan sa how to change your YouTube name. So yan na guys, kung bago pa kayo dito, so sana huwag niyo kalimutan sa pag-subscribe ng channel ko. Dahil marami pa tayong magagawa na mga tutorial guys. Dahil magawa na ako ng tutorial. Maybe next, how to delete your Gmail account, or how to edit your videos. So marami pang iba aking magawa guys kung mayroon lang akong time. So okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, at sana makita-kita pa tayo muli sa sunod kong mga videos. Okay, bye bye for now guys.